Hey everyone, RJ here with CV Tech, and today I'll be doing an unboxing and first impressions on the ZTE Blade A7 Prime on Visible Mobile. Let's get it started. Okay, so Visible Mobile's got a really good deal going on with this phone right now. If you go to the website and select this phone right here, you can opt to trade in a older device as long as it works, and you can get the plan $40 a month. Now first month I think is $25. You can select to trade in a phone. They'll send you this phone out. However, you got to send in the old phone within 14 days or you will get charged the full price of this phone, which I think is $100. So free phone, first month's plan $25. Hey, you can't beat that. So this is ZTE Blade A7 Prime. On the back here it just shows the package content, smartphone, charger, USB cable, and quick start guide. Let's go ahead and pop off the top of it here, and the device is right here on top. So we'll go ahead and take this phone out, put it to the side for a moment, and see what all does come in the box. So you get your user manual, quick start guide. You also have a USB Type-C connector here, as well as just your standard wall adapter right here, and I think that's all that comes into the box. So yeah, that's all there is. I'll put all this away and we'll look at the phone. Okay, so the phone is now in hand, and I gotta say, just for the few minutes of holding the phone feels really nice in the hand. Kind of has these little ridge sides here on the sides, and it just kind of makes it feel really comfortable to hold. Now this phone has a 6.088 inch display, a quad-core processor, a 16 megapixel camera, and face recognition. On the top there, you will see a little teardrop notch with the receiver. On the left side here, you have your SIM ejector. On top, you got a 3.5mm headphone jack with a noise canceling mic. On the right, got your volume rockers with a really nice accented red power button. On the bottom, USB Type-C charging port with microphone. And on the rear, your single 16 megapixel camera with flash, fingerprint scanner, ZTE branding, and your rear mounted speaker. Let's go ahead and pull off this front screen protector there, and we'll go ahead and boot this phone up. Alright, so ZTE, powered by Android. So yeah, I mean, if you trade in a phone on Visible, this phone's free. I mean, you can't really beat it for what you're getting, to be honest with you. I think it's $100 if you don't trade in a device. But yeah, there might be some more phones they're offering right now also for free in a trade-in. I'm really not sure. Go to Visible Mobile and you get all the details there. So I'll go ahead right now, get it all set up, and I'll come back when it's finished. Okay, so we're all set up now and ready to go. Let's go ahead and check out the fingerprint scanner. Got that all set up. Let's try it now. And power's on just fine. Every single time, no problem whatsoever. Also has face unlock. Let's go ahead and check that out right now. And it works. It's not the fastest in the world, but it does work. So you can see right there, a bit slow. Fingerprint is faster, but you do got that option for face unlock if you do want it. Now the screen here, I believe it's 720p, and it looks really nice. Got a very nice, sharp, clear look here. Runs a 2 gigahertz quad-core Helio A22 processor. I think it's got 2 gigabytes of RAM and 32 gigabytes of storage. Now if you swipe this way here, got your Google stuff. Swipe up here for your app drawer. Really not much bloatware on here, just really no bloatware on here, to be honest with you. FM radio, which is really nice, and that's just about it. So pretty stock here. Let's go ahead and pull the drop down here. You'll see you got your Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, vibrate, flashlight, location, airplane mode, screenshot, power saver, auto rotate, night light, record screen. You got a screen recorder already on here, really nice as well. DTS sound and all that kind of cool stuff there. Go into the settings here for a moment. Got network and internet. So you have your Wi-Fi, mobile network, data usage, hotspot and tethering, airplane mode in advance for your VPN, call settings, private DNS, and wireless emergency alerts. You have your connected devices here for Bluetooth. No NFC, of course. Features, navigation keys. So you press that right there. You can, use swipe gestures and whatever. You can just use whatever you want to on this phone. Record screen. Video quality is medium, high, or low. Gesture and motion. You got all of these. 3-finger pinch for a screenshot. Motion. You got all of these here. Storage is 32 gigabytes, but you got 22 gigabytes free, so not bad. You got an SD card slot as well, so you know, plenty of storage for this type of phone. Plus, you're gonna add an SD card as well. Down here at security and location, you can have your pattern, PIN, or password, fingerprint setup, and your face verify, and you got smart lock there as well. And this phone does run Android 9 Pie with September 5th, 2019 security patch. So that's really about all there is to this device. It's pretty stock. I mean, there's not much on this device. Just got a very light skin over this here, over the stock Android experience. Let's go ahead and dive into the camera here for just a moment. And let's see what we got going on in here. So you got a photo mode, video mode, and you got more for manual, panorama, and time lapse. Go up here, you got all of your filters. I do believe, yeah, a lot of filters down here you can choose from. And up here, your settings. You have your resolution for 16 megapixels, 12 megapixels, and 10 megapixels. Back out of here, go to the video mode, and we'll see you can record in full 1080, 720, and MMS. So yeah, not bad at all. Go to the front facing camera now, and you got your selfie and video. So of course, this button up here, it's a 5 megapixel camera in the front. So 5 megapixels, 4 megapixels, 3 megapixels. And the front camera don't look too bad, to be honest. Let's go to the video mode and go to the settings. Record in 1080, 720, and MMS. So not bad at all. I mean, this phone right here, like I said, if you trade in a phone, you know, as long as it's not broken or smashed or whatever, you know, you can send the phone in within 14 days. And this phone's free. Like I said, if you don't send an old phone in, you will get charged the full price of the phone, which is I think is $100. But yeah, for free plus your first month's bill, $25. Now that's what it was when I ordered mine. At the time of this video here, you do get a promotion, I do believe. First month's comes right out, $25. They send you the phone out, get the phone. They send you a return label. You send your old phone in, and this is your phone. So for free, you really can't beat it. So this is the ZTE Blade A7 Prime. This was helpful and informative in any way. Hit that like button. Any questions you may have, leave it down below. I'll get back with you as soon as possible. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing so. I'd appreciate it. Y'all have a good one, and thanks for watching.